In this video, I'll be showing you 7 different ways how to make money with Canva in 2022, even as a complete beginner. More after the intro. So if you've never heard of Canva before, I don't know if you've been under a rock or what, but it's a really neat website where you can design so many different things, you know, from Pinterest to YouTube to Instagram to Facebook videos. And as you can see, like, I do most of my designs on here, and I'm not even very good or artistic, you know, and so these are just a couple of things that you can do. And my goal here is to kind of show you 7 different ways that I wrote down, simple things that you can start making money online. You can put yourself on a website similar or the exact website as Fiverr, where you can put your services up as a freelancer. So the first one is Instagram highlights, and this is one I literally have just bought. So if you go into Canva and you put in Instagram highlights, let's see here, highlight covers. See these things right here. Basically, when you go into Instagram, underneath you can have like these little highlight circles, and like this, or business ones, or like fashion ones. And you can come here on Canva and you can create them and then sell them. Like if you look at, you know, like photography, or you can just create these, change the colors, customize them, and then sell them. You can contact Instagram pages personally and say, hey, I notice you don't have highlights. Would you like me to make you some for $10? Or you can just come here and put in Instagram highlight covers. You know, they're probably $5 or $10, and they're very easy to make. See? They're straight from Canva. So that's number 1. Okay? So let's go back. Number 2 is Pinterest pins. So if you go up here and do Pinterest pins, believe it or not, people pay money for you to make simple pins like this. Now, Christmas ones, seems like a lot of Christmas ones right now since Christmas is coming up, but like recipes, and just change, you know, whatever picture that is and put their website in there. People will literally pay you, because Pinterest is, that, believe it or not, a really good traffic source. And so if you go to Fiverr again, you put in Pinterest pins, people will literally pay you. You know, they're designing a bunch of different pins for people. And also you can, you know, manage Pinterest for people as well. Pinterest Manager. And so you can do all their Pinterest for them, you know, and charge $30, $150, $160. A lot more later once you get some experience. But so going on Canva, making some Pinterest pins, literally clicking this and changing a couple of words, pictures. You can upload the different pictures. Like, so if I wanted to get a different one, I'll put me on there. You just drag it and upload it, and boom. You can edit these things, and you just kind of learn as you go, right? But that was just an example there. So the next one is thumbnails, which, again, I make all the time. So if you put in YouTube thumbnails, because I'm making a YouTube video right now, you can get different templates. And so you can click on one of these and take the picture out and put the, you know, the name of the YouTube video there, and you can make hundreds and hundreds of these, right? If you go to Fiverr, you put in YouTube thumbnail, we'll see what pops up. See, people are doing 5, 10, 20, you know, very, very simple things that you can do. Some people charge way more, right, for crazy cool ones, but you kind of get the picture. And as you do this more and more, you'll get better and better. So that's another way, just thumbnails. Okay, next one is infographics. So if we go to Canva again, you put in infographics. A lot of companies like these things, Like I literally just made one the other day. But, there can be fun facts, culture at school, all these different things you can do as an ad agency, but it kind of brings like a lot of, you could do it for Pinterest and Instagram, whatever. But so this is actually the template that I used for a product on my course, my 5-day training, which you can get down below, by the way, for free. But I just clicked on this and changed my images and changed the text. So if we put on here, we can do infographic, and people literally pay, $20, $25, $5, $10 for infographics, that you could just make on Pinterest in a couple of minutes. So if we look right here, we'll do Facebook and YouTube banners. So whenever people have a business online, let's see, Facebook banner. A lot of times they want a picture in the back that looks really nice. And so you can literally use Canva and design some of these, and people are charging $40, $35, $25 to make them look pretty cool, right? And so you just go to Canva and you put in like Facebook banner, or you can put YouTube banner, whichever one. And you can get these templates. You can start to customize them. And the people will literally give you the photos and what to say. So it's really not that bad. Like if I put in YouTube banner, same thing. These templates are ready to go for you. They'll give you the colors, they'll give you the text. You just plug and play and get paid. Okay. Next one is ebooks. So you can literally make ebook covers for people. Again, you have all these templates. People make books and they want to make them look good. They'll give you the information, they'll give you the images, and you just make them. So if we look here and we put in ebook covers, people are charging $15, $45, $95, $175, all the way down to $5, right? As you start to get better. And so this is something that you can do, again, just by using Canva and simply being a freelancer on Fiverr. So it's not too bad. And the last one is intro and outros. So like YouTube intro. On Fiverr, that costs anywhere from $15 to $200, right? $5, $100. So obviously the more times people purchase, you get better reviews, the more attractive you will be. So if you go to Canva and you put in like YouTube intro, they will have some video templates for you. And again, you can change them. Like, look how cool that is. You can put their name in there. You can change the colors. You can do whatever you want. And the best part is that your client will tell you what they want. They'll tell you the colors. They will tell you, hey, I want this revision. So it's really not that bad, So these are just 7 ways that you can make money in 2022 with Canva and any kind of freelance website. It doesn't have to be Fiverr. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment and subscribe, because I always do make money online videos. I also have that free 5-day challenge down below teaching you exactly how I make money online as an affiliate marketer. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.